Find or read reviews that people are talking of CAMECHO Cam front and rear. Why you choose CAMECHO Cam front and rear. Below are some reasons why you should choose Cam front and inside. This dual dash cam equipped with 1080p resolution front camera plus 720p rear camera. The car dash camera lens can be adjusted 360 degrees. The front camera captures the license plates and road signs clearly even at night, thus ensuring to get you the best footage. The 120 degrees golden angle of view dash cam help eliminate the blind spots of your vision. Recording and emergency accident locks. Dashboard camera recorder with seamless loop recording overwrites the old footage with new content when the card is full. Variable sensitivity G sensor automatically detects a sudden collision and immediately saves the relevant footage and locks it to SOS file, thus preventing any overwriting and thereby protecting your video evidence. Keep you away from driving disputes. This dashboard camera supports up to 32 GB of micro SD card. Cams with parking mode. The dash cams automatically powers on and starts recording as soon as impact is detected, thus providing you a video evidence if your car is scratched by someone in parking. Hence ensuring your peace of mind with complete 24/7 monitoring of your car. We suggest some important function settings for your daily using. G sensor level choose low, or turn off, loop recording choose 3 minutes, motion detection choose off. Parking monitor choose on. Inch IPS screen HD 1080p DVR car dashboard recorder. Perfect combination of ultra-wide-angle lens is more convenient for various occasions and provides multi-angle, high-resolution video shooting. Built-in microphone/speaker, support large-capacity micro TF card, infrared night vision. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important! Don't forget to press subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.